Okay, hey everybody. This video goes over all of the problems that were on the formative for the properties of logs. So feel free to fast forward to get to the problem that you need to do. I will be going over all of them, okay? So the first one looked like this. So if you notice, y times x squared. So that's being multiplied there. So anytime you're multiplying your amounts right here, you're going to add your logs. So we know that. So we have log base 4 of y plus log base 4 of x squared. So that part's good. Now we have this 2 right here. And this is the power property. So that's going to come out in front. I like to call that plogging because the P out in front, plog. So we have log base 4 of y plus 2 log base 4 of x. And so that is your final answer for number 1. All right, number 2. Let me change the color here. This is the natural log. Remember, the natural log is log with base e. So with that, same properties apply. Same properties apply for that. So this was expand or condense. So notice we have 2 of them. So we're going to condense it down to 1 natural log. So again, we have this 3 right here. That's just going to come here to this x. It is not attached to the y. So it's just going to come to that x. So we're going to have the natural log of x cubed. Adding, when you're adding your logs, that means you're going to multiply your amounts. So we can just write it next to each other. We don't have to write the multiplication sign. So that is your answer for number 2. All right, now for number 3. Again, we will be condensing because we see multiple logs. So we want to get it down to 1. We want to get it down to 1. So you see subtraction, automatically you should think division. You see a number out in front, automatically you think unplugging, putting the power up. So let's write this as 1. We know our log base 3 is what we're going to have, and x is going to be on top because we just go in that order, over, this is going to be y to the 4th power. The 4 was not attached to the x, so it's only attached to the y, so that's why it is in the denominator, the 4th power. That's your answer for number 3. All right, and then the last one, number 4. This one, it's written as 1 log, so we are going to write it as multiple logs here. So it looks like there's a lot happening on our numerator, where we have multiplication going on and the property. So that needs to be in parentheses. So we have log base 6 of 10 plus this 2 is only attached to the x. It is not attached to the 10. So it's going to come out front of this piece right here, log base 6 of x, and that is our numerator. That's in parentheses, so we're going to keep that in parentheses. Then to show division, remember we subtract our logs. So what's on the denominator? Log base 6 of y. And that would be your final answer. So that one was tricky, where to put the parentheses. So hopefully this feedback was helpful and you were able to understand your mistakes. If not, please contact your teacher. Thank you.